My name is Muhammad Ali, Deputy General Manager of La Capital, a company founded 21 years ago in Mexico. It is a 100% Mexican company dedicated to the marketing and production of seals and gaskets throughout Mexico. We have 9 branches across the country, covering the most important cities. We serve all types of industries, supplying all types of seals and gaskets for hydraulics, pneumatics, different types of fluids, and various industries. As I said, we provide assistance to our customers, striving to be the most reliable company around, meeting their needs as quickly as possible with our logistics. Today we talked about the success of the Nexo case, and we had all the support of Modula, both technical and from here, whatever complications arose, and we continue to work side by side with them, which is why we consider them an extremely important business partner, because our future is heading in this direction, changing almost 90% of our storage, with many advantages for us. To start with, it communicates directly with our system. This is something we really appreciate. It has given us a lot of value, ease of communication, and direct order uploading. The problem of warehouse space and staff fatigue is something we have to deal with very carefully, and we do so with great attention. We don't want them to be too tired due to the weather conditions and working all day long. And yes, we have a very committed team that does its job.
The distributor prints the labels and begins to arrange them according to location, then follows its distribution route. This sorting route can vary from 5, 10, 20 to 50 batches, 50 items, and may require crossing the entire warehouse and taking approximately 20 to 40 minutes to deliver the material. With the Modula equipment, the situation has changed, as it can take 5 to 10 minutes to fulfill an order, depending on the number of order lines. In 2023, we purchased a Modula unit to begin testing and experimenting with its features. We started storing high-turnover products and realized that this increased our production efficiency in this area. In 2024, we purchased 2 more Modulas, for a total of 3 Modulas, in which we could store 5,000 part numbers of fast-moving products. This means that instead of the employee walking for 40 minutes through a warehouse, the operation will take 5 to 10 minutes per order.
We are also in negotiations with Modula to expand our equipment, including our area, which also encompasses the special customized production area.
We have a medium-term plan to acquire 4 more Modula units, one of which will be used in the production area, where we store the bars used to manufacture our gaskets. We will be able to store this type of material in this Modula equipment, which will also help us to facilitate sorting and avoid errors when supplying a bar and producing a gasket.
They have complete confidence in us. They are our allies and business partners, which is why we are here, always striving to improve, innovate, and keep up with today's technology in order to provide an even better service than we already do.